Hi, I'm Justin Miller with BCB Premier Estates, and today I'm in Adams, Oregon, touring a beautiful piece of property called the Old Schoolhouse. Originally built in 1918 and then rebuilt in 2002. This is a 7-bedroom, 5.5 bath, almost 15,000 square feet, sitting on just under 2 acres. It has a gym, it has a stage, it has a full basketball court, and a full garden. It's lots of fruit trees. It's sitting on a beautiful piece of property. Come on in and take a tour. So here we are in the sports court. This place is amazing. It has its full stage, a full sports court, his and her locker rooms. It's a fantastic property for venues and weddings and all kinds of special events. Come on out and we'll show you the rest of the house. So here we are in the oversized gym. It has an ensuite bathroom, plenty of space down here, and it's below grade, so it stays really cool. It's perfect for workouts. So here we are in the man cave. I love it. This room is fantastic for movie theater night. There's a full kitchen. This is where you can hide out and have a great time. So the grounds of this property are absolutely magnificent. There's so much space and so much privacy. It's lush and green, has gardens, fruit trees, there's outdoor fire pits, and plenty of places to have great venues such as outdoor weddings or big events. Thanks for joining me today in Adams, Oregon at the Old Schoolhouse. I'm Justin Miller with BCB Premier Estates, and I'll see you next time.